Watching one YouTube video, you will get 61 cents. Watching second video will earn you 32 cents. Watching third video will get you 47 cents, and so on and so forth. And if you use the trick that I will show you in this video, you can make $2.48 every minute by just watching YouTube videos. And this works in every country. And in the end of this video, I will show you a bonus trick that will help you to make $500 a day in this passive income using this new website. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First, I need you to come over to this website where you can make money by watching YouTube videos. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but before that, please subscribe to my channel. Once you reach the minimum amount in your account, you can transfer the money to your bank account, PayPal account, and other options available here. First, click on this sign up button over here. Now all you have to do is enter your first name, last name, your birthday, your gender, email address, and password, and then click on create account. As you can see, we have received $5 as a sign up bonus. That's perfect. Now let me show you how we can make even more money to our account. So as you can see on the left hand side, there are 5 videos which we can watch. Starting with the first video, let us click on the play button on this video. We are going to be shown an ad, so we need to close it and click on the play button again. The video will start to play, but we don't need to watch the whole video. We just need to watch it for 34 seconds as the video is playing. After refreshing the page again, we can see that now my account balance is $5.93. One thing you must have noticed is that you can only watch 5 videos in every 24-hour period. So if you click on first or second video again, it will show you that this video will be available after 24 hours. But don't worry, I will show you how you can make $2.48 every minute. But before that, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your country. Step number 2, for making $2.48 again and again with these 5 videos only. All we need to do is create accounts on this website. For example, you can create 10 accounts. So if you have 10 accounts, you will earn a total of $24.80 within a minute. Easy, right? If you don't have a lot of email addresses, here is a bonus tip just for you to create multiple accounts. I will show you something, but first, let me log out of my account to sign up again. Now you can just enter a different first name, last name, birthday, and gender. When we get to the email address box, here is what you have to do when you have just one email address. So we used this email address. If we try to use it again, the site will say the email is taken, try another. All you have to do is put a dot right here, and it will be accepted. As you can see, we have just created a brand new account using the same email. So you can put a dot anywhere on the email address, here or even here. The good thing about this is that all the emails that will be sent to the email variations, which I just showed you, will be redirected to the original email address, which is this one. That is how Google works, and many people don't know about it. Now to make $500, step number 3 is I want you to go to the top right corner and hover your mouse on my account. Then just select the referral option from there. There will be a page where you can see that every time someone signs up using our link, we will make $1 per referral. Now the name of this site is called wintub.com. Now, let me share with you the secret bonus to make $600 a day in complete passive income. Okay, so for this step, let us go over to facebook.com and in the search box, search for how to make money online and press enter. Now let us scroll down a little bit and select the groups option from here and then select public groups right here. This will help to find groups which are open for anyone to use. The good thing is that we don't need any permission to join the groups, and we can easily join any one of these groups. For example, if I click on this group right here, I will be joined to this page where I can see a lot of posts about how to make money online. So all you have to do is to create a post just like this one here. So if only 500 people out of thousands of people from this group sign up using your referral link, you will be making an easy $500 a day on wintub.com. Now let me show you the best way to create a Facebook post for our referral link in this group. So let us click right here. So I am going to write I make $100 from this site by just watching YouTube videos. It is totally free. Just comment how below and I will send you the details. Now we need an image for our post. Let us go to Google and search for Wintub proof of payment. Let us click on images option right here. We're going to see all these images, which contains the proof of payment from wintub.com. Let us select this image right here as payment proof. Download this image to your computer. Then we will go back to Facebook and click right here to attach the image we just downloaded. This is how the post will look look like. You can repeat this process in several other Make Money online Facebook groups. Trust me, after some time, you will earn a lot of money, even more money than $500 a day. To withdraw your earnings from this website, all you have to do is hover your mouse on My Account again and select Withdraw option from there. It will take you to this page where you can see that they have basically 4 options for you to withdraw your earnings. Once you reach the minimum limit, all you have to do is click on the Withdraw button and set up your account. You will receive the money in your account. It's very easy if you consistently follow both the methods shown in this video. That's it for today. Give it a thumbs up if this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more side hustles, and have a nice day.